Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this blue screen error and the stop code is inaccessible boot device. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So in my case, I have tried everything, nothing is working. So in my case, reinstalling the Windows using USB flash drive has worked. So you can reinstall your Windows using USB flash drive. Now before you reinstall your Windows, make sure that you back up your data if you can, because when you reinstall Windows, it will result in loss of data and application on your computer. Now to reinstall Windows, since this computer is not working, you need another working computer with internet access to create USB media to reinstall Windows. To reinstall Windows, please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to install a Windows 11 using a USB flash drive, you need an empty USB flash drive, and the size should be 8 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes, and it should be empty. So if you have any data on the USB flash drive, just go ahead and create a backup. We might have to format the flash drive. You also need a computer with internet access. Now installation of Windows 11 using USB flash drive may result in data loss. So go ahead and back up your data from the computer, because during the installation you might lose all the data on the computer. So to go ahead and make a bootable USB flash drive, you have to go ahead and connect the USB flash drive to the USB port of the computer. So go ahead and connect the USB flash drive to the USB port of your computer. The link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11, and here you can see media creation tool. So you have to go ahead and download this tool. So click on download now. Now run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and this will load Windows Media Creation Tool. Now click on accept. Now by default, language English United States would be selected over here, and the edition will be Windows 11. Now if you want to make changes, you can go ahead and uncheck this, and then you can go ahead and select the option which you want from the list. So for me, I will go ahead and use the recommended option. Then click on next, and then you have to go ahead and select USB flash drive, and by default this would be checked. Now make sure the USB flash drive is connected to your computer. Now before you click on next, go to File Explorer. So open File Explorer in computer, then go to this PC. Now over here, this is my flash drive which is connected to the computer right now. Now I have some data on it. So if you have some data, go ahead and create a backup. Just copy and paste it somewhere. Now once you have a backup, you can go ahead and format this USB flash drive. So make a right click, then click on format. Now over here you can see by default FAT32 is selected, and then I will go ahead and click on start, click on OK. I will go ahead and lose all the data on this USB flash drive. Now once this is done, you can click on OK and then close this window. Now it's completely empty, nothing is there inside. Now I will go ahead and click on next. So click on next, and then select the USB flash drive, then click on next. And now this process will take some time, so it will start downloading Windows 11. So let the download complete. Now over here you can see it's creating Windows 11 media. The download was complete, but right now it's making my USB flash drive bootable. So let the process complete. Now over here you can see it's saying your USB flash drive is ready. Now you can go ahead and click on finish. Do not close the window, just click on finish. It will go ahead and complete the setup. Now you can go to File Explorer, go to this PC, and over here your USB flash drive is ready now. You can make a right click and then click on eject. Now you can go ahead and unplug the USB flash drive from your computer, and then you can go ahead and connect the bootable flash drive to the computer on which you want to install Windows 11. Also, you have to go ahead and shut down the computer where you want to install the Windows 11. So go ahead and shut down the computer if the computer is on. So my USB flash drive is ready now, and I need to install Windows 11 on my Dell computer. So my Dell computer is shut down now. So I will go ahead and connect the USB flash drive. So USB flash drive is connected now. Now you have to go ahead and start the computer. So press the power button, and as soon as you start the computer, you have to go ahead and keep on tapping the F12 key on the keyboard. So on my Dell computer, it's the F12 key which will take me to the bootable screen. Now on your brand the key may differ, so it may be F11, F10, F9, F8, or maybe F2. So you have to go ahead and find the key which will take you to the bootable screen. So in my case, on my Dell computer, as soon as you start the computer, you have to keep on tapping the F12 key in case if you have a Dell computer. Now it will take you to this boot screen where you can go ahead and select your USB flash drive. So on my case, this is the USB 1, or it might be USB storage device. So the name may be different. It may be the name of your flash drive. So the name of my flash drive is SanDisk. So go ahead and select your USB flash drive and then hit the enter key on the keyboard. Now you can see the next screen right now. It's telling me to language to install, then time and currency format. I'm leaving as United States, keyboard method as US, and then you can go ahead and click on next, and then you can go ahead and click on install now. Now over here on this screen, you have to go ahead and put a check on the box which says I accept, and then you have to click on next. And then you have to go ahead and select the option which says custom install. So click on custom install. Now over here you will see multiple partitions, so you have to go ahead and delete all the partition. As I told you that you will lose all the data on the computer. Now in my case, this drive 1 partition 1 is actually a D drive. I have additional drive connected to my computer, so I will not go ahead and delete. This is my storage device. I will go ahead and delete all the partition that is in C drive. So I will go ahead and select it, then click on delete. So you have to go ahead and delete all the partition one by one. So select it, then go ahead and click on delete on the bottom. And if the USB flash drive is detected over here, do not delete the USB flash drive, and do not delete your storage device. So if you have any additional hard drive connected, do not delete that. You can go ahead and delete all the partition which is there in C drive. So select it, then click on delete. I will not go ahead and delete right now because Windows 11 is already installed on my computer. So you have to go ahead and delete all the partition one by one. Now once you delete all the partition in your C drive, you will be left with drive 0 unallocated space. So you have to go ahead and select your C drive, your hard drive, and then click on next on the bottom right. Now I'm not deleting this one because this is my storage device. So go ahead and select the drive, unallocated one, and then click on next, and then it will go ahead and start the installation process. So after the installation, you will see this. Go ahead and select your region. So you can go ahead and select United States, then click on yes, and you have to simply go ahead and select the keyboard layout as US, and then select no for additional keyboard layout, and then you can go ahead and select your network name, your Wi-Fi network name, enter your Wi-Fi password, and this will help you to connect to your network. And then if you want Microsoft account, go ahead and create a Microsoft account. If you already have one, you can go ahead and log in with Microsoft account, and after that it will take some time, and then you will be able to see Windows 11 installed on your computer. So after the reinstallation of Windows 11, you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.